how to use SmartBone to make your character talk. Watch this video to the end. Like, comment, and share.
Click on the Select Bone tool and click on an empty space to select all the bones. Click on the Add Bone tool and draw a bone straight upward. Click on the bone and the top of the screen you will see a text box. Type the name of the bone and make sure it's something you can remember. Name the bone as I did. Click on Bone Constraint and add Bone Constraint. Click on the window at the top menu and click on Action on the list. While the bone is selected, click on New icon on the Action panel. You can also click on New and type the exact name of the bone. If the name is typed correctly, the color of the time frame changes to blue. Click on Transform tool and drag to the right. Click on the main line on the Action panel. And then click on Bone's Strength to reduce the bone strength to 0. Click on the Mouth Action panel again, and use the Transform Bone tool to drag to the right. On the timeline, move the new keyframe generated. Move that new keyframe to frame 24. Please subscribe to this channel. Now click on the mouth layer or any layer you are creating the mouth action for, and then adjust the mouth according to your drawing. Watch closely how I edit the mouth layer and other layers related to the mouth. Adjust other layers related to the mouth just to make it look proper and good. I am going to speed up the remaining process. You can pause and play to understand in details. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification button. You can request for a tutorial on Moho and I will look into it. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to get more tutorial. After all the adjustment, click on the main line. That will take you out of the Smart Action panel. Click on the Character Bone layer. Click on the Manipulate Bone tool and move to frame 1. Move the mouth bone and repeat in frame 6. Do that till frame 36.
Learn how to use SmartBone to make your character talk. Watch this video to the end. Like, comment, and share.